Good morning, trade pros. Welcome to our morning market update for Wednesday. Let me just turn the camera a little bit. For Wednesday, February the 14th of 2018. It's also Valentine's Day, fellas and ladies. So I hope you spend some precious time with your loved ones, family, friends, whatever you got to do. Just feel some love. It's a special day today. Today's my anniversary as well because I'm cheesy like that. All right, we're going to talk about in this morning session. First, I'm happy to be home from LA. It was been a journey. It's been fun. But man, this has been a long agenda. Over there, basically my schedule was I trade from 5 a.m. LA time to 7 a.m. LA time to about 8, depending on what the opportunity is. 9:30, I show up at a hotel for a marathon session from 9:30 to 7 p.m. Learning this awesome course. But the benefit of all that is that hard work is that I didn't get to sleep. That's the real benefit. Just kidding. I'm writing a book, and there's going to be a book that comes out. So that's cool. All right, let's talk about this morning's market update. In earnings overnight, or earnings from last night, Baidu is up 5.25% after beating analyst expectations. MetLife, symbol MET, this was a short sell on our swing trader recommendations list. It was a short sell. It's down again 1.4% after some pension fund failures. PepsiCo is up 0.2% on some strong snack sales, so they're getting out of or diversifying on their beverage business. And Under Armour up 17%. That's huge. That's big. After expanding its restructuring efforts, that's a big beat. And the symbol is UAA. All right, that's Under Armour up almost 20% single-handedly in one night. Let's see how that opens this morning. Equity markets overnight got really weak, so you got a lot of selling coming out in the London Open around 3 a.m. You saw the equity prices just dump, all right, drop quite a bit, a significant amount. And today, I think, is the day where the bears are going to try to make an effort to come out. And if they don't, they're going to get squeezed out of that trade, and we're going to head higher. So the beginning of the week, my prognosis was give the first 2 days for a little bit of an opportunity for the markets to stabilize and maybe retrace, and then we're going to hit them. Today, I don't know so much anymore. All right, I'm not that convinced that the next wave is going to be a sharp wave down bearish. I think that every single day that we don't continue to go down, the bulls are absorbing that sell pressure, and the next move might actually be to the upside. How much higher, nobody knows. I can't tell you where this market's going to be in 20 seconds, let alone weeks, months. And anyone that pretends that they know where it's going is a liar. The market doesn't know where it's going. The market's not a pre-written thing in history. The market is a living, breathing being almost that takes place in real time. So there's no way to know what it's going to do. All right. That's the truth. All right. So in Asia, Japan's down 0.4%. Hong Kong's up 2.3%. Sharp rally there in Hong Kong. China's up 0.5 percentage point. India's up 0.4%. And in Europe here at midday in London, we're up 0.8%, almost 1% rally. Paris is also up 0.8%. And Frankfurt out of Germany up 0.7 or 0.7 of a percentage point rally. Futures in the United States, Dow Jones is up 0.5%, S&P's up 0.5% as well, NASDAQ's also up 0.5%, so 0.5 across the boards. And crude oil is down 1 full percentage point on news of an API inventory build last night, a surprise build in the inventory report that comes out at 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. This morning, we're going to get another confirmation on the Department of Energy report. That comes out at 10:30 in the morning. So there's going to be a really good crude oil trade today. This is a trade that could single-handedly make you a profit for the entire week. So that's the cool part, is that you're going to have a blockbuster trade opportunity. Come trade it with us in the trading room. We got a 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee. So, if you're not happy, you don't have to stay. But definitely come check it out because you don't get a chance to trade with professional traders every single day. Well, you do if you sign up, really, is what I'm saying. All right. That's crude oil, the 58.69. Gold is up 0.2% to 13,333. And Bitcoin up 4.3% to 8,885, just shy of that $9,000 marker after trading as low as 6,000 just a couple days ago. All right. Economic calendar today. We had some really big economic news to come out. At 8:30, we had retail sales. And at 8:30, we also had the consumer price index, the CPI. The CPI is a very important measure of inflation. All right. So let's comb over what happened here on the CPI. It came out at 0.5 on the core number versus 0.3 percentage points expectations. If you annualize that 0.5, it's coming in at 2%. all right, versus 0.3, which is 1.2%. So a sharp increase in inflation. Just about everything rose in the inflation index as well. The apparel index was up. Everything was up in terms of cost of goods. So when you have to pay as a consumer more money to purchase things, that's an increase of prices. That's called inflation. The problem with inflation is that the Federal Reserve will start to raise interest rates faster now that we're getting more inflation. For a long period of time since '09, all the Fed did was throw money at the market. Said, here you go, Mr. Market, have more money. You want some more money, go for it. Never thinking what would happen on the day where they have to withdraw that stimulus. Well, now that's the day. Today's the day they're withdrawing it. The last couple months, in fact, they've been withdrawing stimulus. They've been narrowing down their balance sheet. But here's the thing. Higher inflation means more interest rate hikes. So Jerome Powell is the new Fed chair who stepped into his position in February as Janet Yellen left. He's got his job cut and clear for him. He's got to raise rates more. So now today, this morning, with this higher inflation number, traders are worried we're going to get higher interest rates, all right, over a shorter period of time. That's called hawkish. All right, it's a hawk. It's going to take off. So we look for some hawkish sentiment here out of the Fed. I think traders are a little bit spooked. That's why equity markets dropped. The dollar's popping. All right, so look for a continued downside move in equities this morning early on here. So I'm going to trade it. I'm going to look for a short opportunity on equities, on gold, on oil, and long opportunities on the US dollar early on. So early on, if we get a chance to short sell and make some money on the downside, great. If we continue downside, awesome. If we start as a short idea and there's just not enough momentum to the downside, we're going to be flipping to the upside without any bias or prejudice. I don't care where I make my money in the day. I don't care if I'm long or short. I just care I got to get paid, pay my bills, take care of the family, and enjoy life. It's all that matters. I don't need to be right. The other day I made good money and I was wrong the whole time. I love those days. All right, team. You guys take care on YouTube. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Happy Valentine's Day. I wish you and your significant others an awesome evening and special moments and memories be made. And 9 months from today, who knows? Maybe your family grows. Just kidding. You guys take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I'm happy to be home. I'm honestly happy to be in the office with you guys. And I got a lot of great content coming your way. So it's time to get to work. You guys have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Trade Pros in the team room. Let's turn around and open up the room, give you guys some levels. It feels good to have 4 big monitors versus 3 not.